Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how you can get the try the new Outlook button on Outlook in Microsoft 365. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, if you want to try the new Outlook and you currently have Office 365, but you don't have this try the new Outlook slider button that you can turn on to try the preview, the first thing you'll need to do is click on File, then Office Account. And then here where it says update options, you need to click on that and you need to click on update now so you can check for and apply updates. And you might need to do that more than once so you can get up to date on the latest version of Office 365. And you'll see a message that says that you're on the latest version. Once you've done that, your Outlook will look like this. And you'll have this button that says try the new Outlook. Now I'm going to show you what that looks like. If I click on this slider to turn it on, I'll have to click on switch and it's going to restart Outlook and switch to the new version. And you might be prompted to sign into your accounts again. Just go ahead and enter your password for any email accounts that you have set up in Outlook. And then the new Outlook for Windows will open and you'll be able to use it on your computer. Now on this current build, you'll see these quick tips and you can go ahead and you can read through all of these tips. I'm just going to click on not interested for this tutorial, but this is basically what the new Outlook for Windows looks like. And I'll be making more tutorials on the new Outlook for Windows on my channel. But if you find that the new Outlook for Windows isn't for you, you can always click on this button up here. Microsoft will ask for feedback. You can just scroll all the way down and click on skip feedback. And Outlook will close and relaunch and your Microsoft 365 version of Outlook will launch again and you'll be back to the classic version of Outlook. I hope this guide's been useful. Please like the video and I'll see you in the next one.